Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. I want to take a quick second before this unboxing to thank all the channel members. Thank you all so much. And to invite those of you who might be new or who might not have had a chance yet, if you're just coming by, to please stop by and hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon next to it. It would really help me out. And this is just a link to me over on IG. If y'all want to connect over there, you can find me at jevans_knifeaddict_life. So today, guys, we have an unboxing from River's Edge Cutlery. And I've actually got two unboxings for River's Edge Cutlery. Not sure which one this is, but let's just get into it. Unboxing knife will be the Riot Exo. We got River's Edge keychain, little River's Edge 20 years patch, little keychain, the card, bill, and the knife. So guys, this is a knife I've been really interested in, and we will take a look at here in just a second. Let me get the Exo put away. And this must be part of National Knife Day. Got a little key tag, got a little sticker, and a little card. But what we have here is a knife from Serge Knife Company. And this is an SP015 Orange G10. And guys, that is the knife. So it looks like it's got extra hardware, extra torque keys to change out the blade, because it is a replaceable razor blade slip joint. Let's get this out of the way. But guys, I have seen this little knife for quite a while now. It's a little slip joint with a distinctive half stop and a distinctive full open half stop, open. So it's a slip joint utility cutter. I thought this was really cool, guys, because A, it uses a replaceable blade. I thought it would be great for opening boxes. I thought it would be great for EDC use, for just a little unique play on a modern slip joint. Because this is a knife, it does have a small pocket clip, can be removed. It will go in a slip in my world. It's very, very thin. So it's a very light knife. It's a very minimalistic knife. However, it is very much ready for business. It's got this really nice stone washed that says Serge. What else does it say there? I can't read it, but it says Serge and something. And you've got the two screws that come out where you simply just loosen these up, and then you can remove your blade and put it back in. If you're traveling on an airplane, you can leave the blade out of it. You can pack this in your bag or in your carry-on, and then when you get to wherever you're going, pick up some blades. I think it would make a great travel tool that could then be used as a, as a knife. But I think it's really cool, guys. I'm looking forward to trying it out. I'm looking forward to sharing it with you guys, letting you know what I think of it. When I saw it, I'd first seen it over at Knife Center. They have it in OD Green G10, and they also have it in a carbon fiber. Then I saw it again, River's Edge Cutlery. I like the orange. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's kind of a outdoorsy color. It's just kind of a high impact color, a loss resistance color. But I'm interested in trying it out. I'm very impressed with how well the slip joint operates, how stiff it is, but yet how, what would you call it, sure-footed it is, and the walk and talk on it's very good. But guys, that is the Serge Panchenko, called the Razor, Slipjoint Razor Gen 2 is what it's actually called. So if you were to Google it, you would Google Serge Slipjoint Razor Gen 2. The model number on this particular one is the Orange G10. It's the SP015ORG. But guys, thank you for stopping by and watching the video. We'll have another unboxing coming out later this afternoon. So that's another cool reason to follow the channel and subscribe to it, because when I release new videos like unboxings that aren't scheduled, you guys will be notified. You can go watch them. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for all of the channel members. And I ask that you please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Move forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.